Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a completely different video for you. It deviates significantly from what I usually do, but I figured with the quarantine and everything that's going on, I just wanted to have a little bit of fun. I'm doing a plant tour because one of the local groups that I'm a part of on Facebook is a houseplant group. So I'll be sharing this with them and I wanted to share it with you as well. Enjoy! If you go over this way, I have a double macrame hanger with a Hoya bilobata, I believe. And I have my Pothos Cebu Blue. Sorry guys, this is gonna take forever if I have brain farts all the time. This is my Pothos, my golden Pothos. I have a Hobbit's Pipe Jade Tree. This is Bill, the cat. And this is Bob. Hey Bob. Bob the dog. Then over here I have 4 different kinds of Hoya. I have my 5 actually. I have my Hoya Crimson Princess and my Hoya Crimson Queen. It's really hard to say. Potted up together. And then I have my Hoya Carnosa, I think. There's also maybe 2 species in this one. One goes to the left of the trellis and one goes to the right. This one is my, I don't know, Hoya Chelsea on the right and Hoya Carrii on the left. Thank you, Hoya Carrii. Now here we go over to the window and I have this macrame hanger with 2 Hoyas and a peperomia. I think this is the peperomia jelly hanging here. This is a Hoya Publicalyx going all the way to the ceiling. And my other Hoya Crimson Queen right here. Then I have this plant table. This is my western facing window, but as you can see, there's trees and stuff outside that keep it semi-shaded. I've got my rubber tree Taneki, I believe. This is a Hoya Boodii variegata that really went through it on its way back to me from Florida. I put it in a suitcase and then realized when I got it home that it had been overwatered severely. But look at all this new growth. It's really made a comeback. Thought it was gonna die. This is, I believe, a Hoya lacunosa back there. Another Hoya Crimson Queen, little turtle dude. Hoya obovata, peperomia pixie, just cute as ever. And then this is my Monstera deliciosa that was originally from Trader Joe's. Remember when they had those $9.99 Monstera deliciosas? I got one and there were 3 left. And I should have picked up the other 3 because they're so amazing. And this is the newest leaf right here. I love this plant. Then I have over here, my little mushroom must have gotten hit. This is a mistletoe cactus, I've been told. And I have my Maranta, my red Maranta. Then I've got this corner, beautiful corner vintage macrame piece that I got for $5 at a garage sale with the glass in it. That was amazing. I think this might be a Hoya bilobata as well. I don't know, it was kind of like a free cutting that was given to me. This one here is my Hoya Weyettii or Shepherdii. I think Weyettii. And then we have our snake plant back here, starfish Sansevieria, I think. I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong, or don't tell me. It's fine. I love plants. Right here I have my my Syngonium Splash, Pink Splash, Maidenhair Fern, I think. And another Hoya obovata that I just love, even though it's like 2 leaves. Hopefully something's gonna happen there. This is the first of 2 fish tanks that I'll share with you. These are all live plants inside as well. I don't know a lot of the names of the plants. I've got cucumber in there. Oh, somebody's eating it. It's exciting. Look at that little autocat sucking on a cucumber. Way to go. There's our newest little pleco guy that was just added into this little ecosystem here. We've got blue gouramis, 3 of them. Super fun. Croton, the little mushroom guy. Other Sansevieria that is enormous. This tank is a 35 gallon. It's the same as a 29 gallon, but tall, which is pretty fun. Super fun to aquascape it with those tall pieces of wood. Let's see, this here is my humdiddly-dum, it's a thing. What is it? Rhaphidophora tetrasperma that I got for like $25, and I don't think it's tissue culture. I think it's actually real, and it was in super bad shape. Re-trellised it. It's looking a lot better now. Let's see, rattlesnake calathea up here. Little Monica Bauer artwork right there. I like to intersperse like different decorative elements on my plant shelf, just things that make me happy, make me smile. Lemon lime maranta, knickknacks, fun Afghan knickknacks, plus a gasteria, I believe. Super fun. Look at Peter Rabbit. Doesn't he just make you kind of giggle a little bit? He does me. Anyway, aloe vera, snail. Let's see, this guy, the Monstera adansonii, looking awesome. I just turned him around. I think his other side is actually more attractive, but I was trying to get him to bush out a little bit more, so he's gonna stay over there. Anyway, he's going crazy. I took a ton of cuttings off of him because he was actually going just a little too crazy for me, getting all the way up there and whatever. Philodendron Brazil. I love this one because it has one strand here that is actually just that beautiful chartreuse color. Curly hair spider plant. Marble queen, pothos. Jade tree, recently repotted into a larger pot for this year. Another philodendron Brazil. I don't know, every leaf is unique and I really love that. And up here we have our little baby jade tree that was just repotted as well. A cactus and two little gasteria starts from the mother plant. And up top, I have a couple cactus here that I would love to rehome to someone who loves them more than I do. Okay, if we go over this way, down the hall is my bedroom. Real quickly, this is a moonshine Sansevieria. It was so little when I got it, and now it's big, and this one right here, that's a new plant baby. So that's exciting. This here is another Monstera that I took cuttings from this gigantic one that I got for free. I mean, each of these leaves is like 12 inches long, 12 inches wide. It's amazing. This is the newest leaf right here. It's just so gorgeous. There's a yellow leaf in here, but it's gonna put out a new baby and then I'll cut it off when it's done putting out its new baby. This is my Peperomia obtusifolia variegata, maybe? I don't know. It's that thing. I love it. This is a philodendron. Somebody tell me what it is down here. I think it was a cutting from Kim, actually. Hi, Kim. And this was the new leaf that came out. It goes way up there. And I think there's another new leaf coming. So that's super fun. Got that in a plant trade with Kim. This was one of my first plants ever. Just this little maranta. He was deprived of enough light, but now he's not. And now he's shooting up all these new little guys, which is super fun. Lemon lime, pothos. Wait, neon pothos. Lemon lime philodendron, neon pothos. Neon pothos, that's that guy up there. Come out in the hallway. Let's go into my kitchen. Did not clean up from making lunch. Out here, I just have a group of 3 little succulents here. I have a Hoya Hindu rope variegated. We call this one the polar bear because this is a teddy bear succulent and this is a polar bear succulent because it's variegated. That's what we call it. Start for a Hoya Hindu rope, normal kind. This one here was from Jelena, I think. A little cutting. It's doing great. And then my string of turtles, which was a plant I wanted for a super long time. And now I'm really enjoying it. It is blooming. Super fun. There's 1 cactus, 2 cactus, 3 cactus, 3 cacti on the wall in the kitchen. Super fun. Speaking of kitchen, dining room is related to the kitchen. This is another live planted tank of mine. Again, just put the cucumber in. Nobody's interested just yet. Super fun. I love this tank. It's bright and cheery. Our other one's really dark and mysterious. Let's see. This is like a philodendron mix of things. I have a philodendron lemon lime. I have the normal heartleaf philodendron that's just green, and a philodendron Brazil because I love it. This is my hanging teddy bear vine. Got this at Walmart like a long time ago, and it's just so happy. It just keeps going. Propagations. Who doesn't have those happening in their house right now? And this is a Rhaphidophora tetrasperma that, I don't know, you guys, I know other people bought these at the same time as I did, and they sure are taking their time, but new growth is coming. They're doing great. Prince of Orange philodendron. Hello, ladies. And this one also came from Florida. And this is my other, what is this, black cardinal philodendron. Super fun. Okay, I think that's all the downstairs plants. Let's go upstairs. Here we are upstairs in the family room. This is one of my pride and joys. This is just a gigantic Hoya Crimson Princess. She's huge, and she bloomed. You can check my feed in this group and you'll see a bloom of hers. It was beautiful. Let's see. I have this amazing window here. You guys want to say hello?
Hello. Hello.
Those are the kiddos. Quarantine, yay. Let's see. This is, I was told, a Hoya carnosa obovata. Look at how it's vining and it has some new leaves coming out. Super fun. This is the Hoya pubicalyx that is living in my window. Hoya curtzii, Hoya macrophylla variegata, which is fun. Let's see, I'm gonna go this way and, no, I'm gonna go this way because maybe it'll show up a little better. Here's my Hoya shepherdii hanging there. Another Hoya crimson princess that just vines all the way to the top. Then I have a Hoya, what is this? Jelena, I got it from you. It's amazing, it's doing really well. Moonbeam variegata, something like that. This is another pubicalyx that's going crazy and fun. We have another Hoya Hindu rope variegated, which is doing great. Thank you all for helping me film this video. You guys rock. This is my, why can't I think of your name? Ruby leather tree.
Rubber plant.
Rubber plant.
Rubber
Thank
tree.
you. Rubber tree. There, thank you. Rubber tree, Ruby rubber tree. This is my gigantic ZZ plant, which is awesome. That's next to my 8-year-old and 5-year-old, so you can see how big it is. We love that thing. I think this was another trade that I got the same day from Kim and maybe Vivian. And then this is my another Peperomia obtusifolia that I just restaked because it's just going bananas. Watching Wildcrats. Basketball. Love the basketball. Okay. Down here, this is my silver satin pothos. I'm not sure what exact variety it is, but it's lovely and it has grown so much. I just love it. All right, grand finale. Buzzkill of a plant to be like the grand finale. A peace lily. Da 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 da. Please welcome the peace lily to the plant tour show. There she is, but she's doing okay. First peace lily I've ever had. New growth coming. Hey, thanks for checking this out with me. Have a fun day staying inside. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. As I'm sure you probably saw, I was in a bit of a goofy mood as I filmed this, but I hope again that it brought a smile to your face. You can find me on Facebook at Because Jesus Bible Journaling and on Etsy Because Jesus Bible Art. Please check out my YouTube channel for other videos having to do more with art and Bible journaling.